There was this asteroid that collided with Earth over Chelyabinsk in the Soviet Union, in Russia, sorry. That was visible to everybody in broad daylight, and you had to avert your eyes when it happened. And they felt a shockwave, and the shockwave broke windows and sent nearly 1,000 people to the hospital.
There is substantial evidence suggesting that billions of years ago, an asteroid collision may have delivered the essential components for life to Earth. Over time, additional asteroid impacts contributed key elements that aided the development and evolution of life. However, not all asteroid impacts have had positive effects. One such collision is believed to have triggered a mass extinction event, eliminating a significant portion of life on Earth. Despite these catastrophic events, Earth has remained home to diverse life forms for billions of years. While we certainly wish to avoid future asteroid impacts, their movement is beyond human control. Numerous asteroids in our solar system have the potential to cause severe damage if they were to collide with Earth. Although some asteroids pass close to our planet, none have caused harm so far. Scientists continuously monitor asteroids that could pose a threat in the future. By studying their trajectories, experts can predict potential collision risks. However, what if our understanding of asteroid movement is incomplete? What if an unknown force is influencing their motion? Recently, while analyzing an asteroid's path, researchers made a startling discovery. This has heightened concerns, leading them to closely observe an asteroid called Apophis, which is expected to pass extremely close to Earth in 2029. But what exactly did scientists uncover in their recent study, and why is Apophis's approach so concerning? The story begins in 2023. On a bright morning in the Utah desert, a spacecraft returned to Earth after completing one of the most remarkable journeys in human exploration history, covering a distance of more than 2 billion miles. Inside the spacecraft was a capsule containing a valuable sample from the ancient past, rock and dust collected from an asteroid called Bennu. Shaped like a spinning top and measuring just 500 meters wide, Bennu acts as a time capsule, preserving secrets from the formation of our solar system over 4.5 billion years ago. Composed of loose rubble, Bennu is believed to hold primitive compounds, including organic molecules that may have played a role in the emergence of life on Earth. In October 2020, the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft landed on Bennu's surface, collecting material that could provide insight into the building blocks of our planet. The data from this mission has already proven invaluable to planetary science. Physicist Uday Tsai from Los Alamos National Laboratory analyzed Bennu's precise orbit, using data from the OSIRIS-REx mission and earlier ground-based observations. While examining the data, he noticed something unexpected and questioned whether there was an unexplained factor affecting Bennu's trajectory. Could an undetectable force, too weak to measure directly, be altering its path? His team's research indicates that tiny, almost imperceptible deviations in Bennu's orbit might hint at the existence of an unknown force. According to Tsai, anomalies in object trajectories can often lead to groundbreaking discoveries in physics. Scientists uncovered this mysterious force using an analogy similar to a game of billiards. Imagine playing, but instead of the balls rolling in straight lines, they veer slightly as if an invisible force is nudging them. You might start to suspect the table is subtly tilted, even though you can't see it. Similarly, while analyzing Bennu's orbital data, researchers noticed unusual patterns, leading them to believe an unidentified force could be influencing its motion. This revelation is concerning as it reveals gaps in our knowledge of how celestial objects move. This uncertainty complicates efforts to predict asteroid paths accurately. With the Apophis asteroid's close approach in 2029, these gaps in understanding are particularly alarming. On April 13th, 2029, Apophis will pass within just 20,000 miles of Earth, so close that it will be visible to the naked eye in certain regions. Although current estimates suggest Apophis will not collide with Earth during this pass, even minor miscalculations in trajectory predictions could have significant implications for future encounters. Measuring approximately 370 meters in diameter, Apophis has been under observation for years. However, recent discoveries have heightened concerns about a possible increased risk of impact. The newfound evidence of unknown forces affecting asteroids has made tracking Apophis even more critical. Scientists plan to use its 2029 flyby as an opportunity to analyze its trajectory in detail, better understand these mysterious forces, and refine their ability to predict its future movements. But this isn't the only worrying development. In another groundbreaking study, Canadian astronomer Paul Wiegert has challenged previous assumptions about Apophis's orbit. His research suggests that there is a small yet noteworthy possibility that the asteroid's trajectory could change, potentially directing it toward Earth in 2029. This unexpected revision has sparked intense debate among scientists. Wiegert's findings offer a compelling scenario regarding Apophis. While its orbit is currently considered safe for at least the next century, his study indicates that even a minor collision with space debris or a small asteroid could alter its course, possibly putting it on a dangerous path toward Earth. Using computer simulations, Wiegert's team assessed the likelihood of an event occurring before Apophis's close approach in 2029. Their analysis revealed that even a small object about 0.6 meters in size could potentially alter Apophis's trajectory, pushing it into a keyhole path, a specific gravitational corridor that might lead to a future impact. However, the probability of this happening remains extremely low, estimated at less than 1 in 2 billion for 2029 and under 1 in a million for a later collision. Even if such an event were to take place, only about 5% of these potential collisions would shift Apophis onto a path leading directly to Earth. This means the overall likelihood of an impact caused by an asteroid altering Apophis's course is still below 1 in 2 billion. While these chances are exceedingly rare, the study suggests that the possibility, however small, cannot be entirely dismissed. The research highlights the unpredictable nature of space, where even minor collisions could have significant consequences. It reinforces the importance of continuous monitoring, not only of large near-Earth objects like Apophis, but also of smaller space debris that could indirectly pose a threat. Apart from Apophis, scientists are keeping a close watch on other asteroids that may pose a potential risk to Earth in the future. One such asteroid is 2007 FT3, which measures roughly 340 meters in diameter. It has a 1 in 11.5 million chance of colliding with Earth on March 3, 2030. Meanwhile, NASA recently conducted a hypothetical exercise to evaluate global preparedness for an asteroid impact scenario. The simulation involved an asteroid that had previously gone undetected due to its orbit around the Sun. According to the exercise, this asteroid, large enough to cause severe regional devastation, was projected to strike Earth in 2038. Participants were informed that its size ranged between 60 and 800 meters and that there was a 72% chance of impact. With only 6 months before telescopes could provide more precise data, the simulation demonstrated that humanity is currently unprepared to prevent such a catastrophe. Initial observations were insufficient to determine the asteroid's exact size, composition, or trajectory with certainty. Adding to the challenge, the asteroid was predicted to move behind the Sun, making it impossible to observe for a crucial 7-month period. This simulation underscored several major obstacles in planetary defense. One of the biggest concerns is the current lack of capability to deflect or destroy an asteroid on short notice. Existing technologies, such as kinetic impactors or nuclear interventions, require extensive development and testing, often taking years before they can be considered practical solutions. The recent exercise serves as a stark reminder to the global community that planetary defense must be a priority. Although asteroid impacts are rare, the potential threat is real, and proactive measures are necessary to safeguard our planet. Furthermore, the discovery of an unidentified force affecting asteroid movement poses a significant challenge for scientists working to predict potential impacts. The unexpected behavior observed in asteroids like Bennu suggests that subtle but influential forces may be at play, ones that are not yet fully understood. This uncertainty makes it harder to accurately determine asteroid trajectories, especially over long periods. Even minor errors in calculations could lead to vastly different scenarios, including the possibility of an asteroid veering onto a collision path with Earth.